So everybody wants to know, should I rent or buy in 2022? Is this the right market to purchase in? And that question fully depends on you. It's all about your personal profile and if it makes sense for you to buy or rent right now. When is a good time for you to buy? One, I always say anybody looking to purchase a property to live in as your primary residence or even as an investment property, you should have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved up. That's number one. Two, with interest rates currently rising, we want to make sure that we're getting the best interest rate possible. So it'd be really important for you to have your credit in good shape. So I always tell people, very important point is, are you looking to stay in that home for at least 2 years? When you're purchasing something as your primary residence, I would always say, if you're going to be moving from that area and you're going to be there less than 2 years, you want to consider that property and determine, are you going to be able to turn that property into an investment or sell it if you're looking to move in less than 2 years, right? So if we're house hacking, I don't know if you checked out my video on house hacking, but if you've seen that one, you always see that you could buy a property using an FHA loan, live in it for 1 year, and then rent it out. So that goes to my next point. Can this property be used as an investment, and will it make you money? Meaning, if you were to purchase that property, would your mortgage be more than what the rental rates are in that area? And if that's the case, I would not consider buying at that time. But if you are in a position that you have cash saved, you have the right credit score that you can qualify for a loan, paying a mortgage is going to be less than what it would cost you to rent in that area, I definitely would consider buying a home. It will always be a good time to buy a home if you plan to hold it over the long term and to make it a good investment for you. So if you have all of those things in place, I would definitely say go purchase a home. I gotta tell you what.
Tell people to subscribe and to check out your course.
Okay, everybody, did you hear him? Subscribe and check out my course, The Real in Real Estate. Scout's even telling you. Check it out. Subscribe. Down below, this is what the YouTubers do, right? Down below, subscribe.